Like I dropped out of university to do this. I like gave up my entire software engineering career path for it. Hello, Happy New Year. It's been a little while. I think it's been like 6 weeks or something like that since I posted any videos. Wanted to let you know what exactly is going to happen with this channel and what my plans are for 2023. So if you don't already know me, I'm Evan Vance. I'm 23. I currently run a real estate social media marketing agency, and in a 30-day period between November and December, I hit my record of $77,000 in revenue within 30 days. In December, I took a week off at the end, but I did like 68K, I think, in revenue. That's actually something I haven't said on this channel before, like how my business is doing. And what I'm actually planning on doing is transitioning this channel to be more related to the social media marketing agency that I'm running, as opposed to making more specific, real estate related content. Reason being, honestly, the market's hot, it's growing fast. I'm going to go over I have a whole business plan around this, in all honesty, and I'm not trying to hide that at all. I'm trying to make a ton of money doing this, to be completely honest with you. But I want to make a ton of money doing good work and helping people along the way, right? Not just tricking people and all this kind of garbage. So why a social media marketing agency? Well, if I pull this list up, this thing that you cannot see that is on my screen, I have a paused video from Alex Hormozzi's video, The Key to Finding a Profitable Market. And there are 4 steps he talks about. One is pain. One is that the market's growing. One is that the people within the market are easy to find. And the 4th one is that the people within the market have money. So what my entire business plan is here is essentially to provide the most value possible to people. That's another thing he says on his chart, but provide the most value possible to people in the social media marketing agency space that are similar to me, because the way YouTube works is you attract people who are like you and who think the same way as you and this kind of thing. And so I want to provide my perspective on business, and for people who resonate with that and the way that I behave and the way that I perform in my business and this kind of thing, this will attract like-minded people. For one, in the social media marketing agency market, there are always going to be people pretty much in any B2B market that are in pain and want to grow their business, want to save time, whatever the situation is. And so that's the pain that I'm going to be solving. I don't have a too solid of a business plan. I'm not trying to sell anything right now. I'm still scaling my agency because that's kind of the main thing. I want to put that on autopilot first. The second thing is that the market's growing. On YouTube, the SMMA market, you may have seen, has been exploding recently, and I believe it's just getting started. So, most of my viewers are social media marketing agency guys and girls maybe anyway. So it kind of is a natural transition for me. It's also what I do. I live and breathe this stuff, so I really enjoy talking about it and can talk about it all day long. Easy to find. You guys are watching my videos, right? You guys are pretty easy to find. You're online. I can run ads for this. It's easy to find people to sell to. And on top of that, the market has money. I'm really only going to be helping people who are doing bare minimum about 5K a month. So I'm not going to be helping beginners. A lot of massive amount of beginners don't succeed anyway. So I don't really want to kind of tarnish my brand with selling something that's $1,000 and 95% of people don't really get, tangible results or significant results. And that's not something I'm really personally interested in, at least at this moment. Maybe my perspective will change. I don't know, but I want to help people that I know for certain I can help, which is people in the 5 to 15K a month range, that kind of thing. And so that's why I'm really doing this. My plan for 2023 is to take advantage of this opportunity while helping people along the way and having fun, because I genuinely, truly, and honestly enjoy helping people. I feel like my face has been incredibly flat this entire video, so I'm going to try to amp it up and make these videos a little more entertaining for you as well. But I really, truly enjoy what I do. I work with some people one-on-one right now. It's not something I'm actively trying to sell. They just kind of came to me through my channel. For example, Christian, he's one of the people that came from the channel. He went from 0 to 8K in a month after having one 1-hour session with me. It was 90 minutes. So that was pretty cool. I'm not trying to sell you anything right now, and probably not for the next few months, because I have to grow my agency. That's my priority right now. So for now, enjoy the content. When something pops up and is for sale, if it's relevant to you, by all means, go ahead, buy it, whatever. I don't care. Watch the videos for free. Doesn't matter to me. Always love feedback. I want to know what types of videos you want to see, because how else am I going to know what you want to see unless you tell me, right? So I'll try to do polls and stuff on the channel to see what makes the most sense and what you guys want to see the most, as well as talk about some stuff that I think is cool that I think I'd want to see. For example, a day in the life, start to finish, what it looks like at this point in revenue, what my numbers look like, how I can book, for example, 6 calls a day 6 sales meetings a day, how I'm spending X dollars a month and getting like a 15-20x ROI on my YouTube ads, this type of stuff. So let me know what you want to see. Let me know if this lighting sucks. If you don't like it, if you want a different color or something, if it's just I don't know, just let me know. Trying new stuff, always want to figure out what works best. An important takeaway from this is I love this stuff. Like, I dropped out of university to do this. I like gave up my entire software engineering career path for it. Everything. Like, I love this stuff and I'm a complete nerd. I work like 65 hours a week on average. I might push that up a bit as well. I usually work like pretty much every waking hour except for like working out, physiotherapy, eating, taking a walk, that kind of thing. My whole life is optimized around business, and that's not something I've really spoken too much about on this channel. I don't have a schedule for how much I'm going to be posting while I scale my business because I'm getting murdered right now in work. And in reality, I probably shouldn't even be recording this thing right now, but I want to. So in the next couple months, I don't know how often I'll post, maybe once a week. I might skip weeks, I don't know, but eventually I want to post a lot more, like 3 times a week and that kind of thing. Don't want to make promises that I can't deliver on for sure, so it's all a big maybe right now. Happy to have you. We've had like 200 additional subscribers since I last posted. My channel's grown by like almost 50% or something like that. So if you're new, welcome. And yeah, looking forward to 2023 being pretty cool for all of us.